guys! Welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. So, for today's video guys, samahan nyo ako guys na mag-support sa aking mga kabanda Musicotcha Band. So, ngayon araw po is August 24, 2024 at meron pong Battle of the Bands dito po sa kabilang munisipyo po dito sa amin, Bao, Camarines Sur. Then, magsusupport po tayo sa Musicotcha Band. So, ngayon nga guys is nagpiprint na ako guys ng picture nila dahil mag-cheer tayo later. So, ayan. Ang pogi ng drummer. Huy! Binubuot ko na po siya. So, let's go! Good luck, Musicotcha! Mamaya, mag-cheer tayo ng bongga. So, yan po. Ito po yung gagawin kong pagpapay. Ganito po siya. Mahirap siya. So, let's go! Feeling mga artista. Ito yung idol ko talaga. Ito po yung pinaka-idol ko. So guys, ito na siya guys. Wow! Let's go! So ready na ako guys. Hintayin ko na lang si Jawa. And this is... sarap. Let's go! See you guys later. Good luck to my Musicotcha! Hi guys! So, yan. Papunta na po kami doon sa maan. Kasama ko na po si Joel, si Ate Cle, si Kenneth, at si Padua. Yan. So, see you there guys and good luck sa ating... Daman. Bye! Nandito na po tayo sa Baaw. Yan. So, eto guys yung stage nila mamaya. Andyan sila. So, nandito ang ating suportahan. Si idol nating Joel Haku. Isang maybe this time nga dyan. She smile, she uses my way. Ay. Okay. Gusto niya kasi yung mga at ang hirap, yung mga ganun na sagot.
Corny.
I'd like to request, while we're waiting for the other guests to finally arrive here at the venue, so I'd like to request all the participating bands to please proceed here at the left side. Can we request one of your representative for the drawing of the lots? Thank you so much. Again, our bands.
Oh my God! Sana mabunot na ng
Punta na po yung isang representative for the drawing of lots. For the other guests, I think it's about time now to enjoy muna music coming from our DJ.
Ang bumubunot! Ulitin, number 5, yes. Okay guys, so kami pala ang, tawag sa atin? The supporters and the girls. Joke lang po. So, sabi ng MC, a few minutes, the battle. Ang kami pala si Sanchez. So, nagsa-soundcheck na po ang ating contestant number 1. Yan po, ang ating contestant. So, guys, ang dami na pong tao. So, buti nga po nakaupo kami. Ito na ang ating tatlong judges. Ang magsasabi ng I got you.
Kami kasamang hiyawan ay ang hina. Again, isa muna ulit masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. So welcome to Kamuyan Festival Battle of the Bands. So this is being brought to you by the local government unit of Baaw, headed by Honorable Jeffrey Especinio, together with the Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Honorable Jerry B. Briseño, together with the Baaw Culture and the Arts.
Hi guys! So number 2 natin.
once again, you only have 5 minutes. Kaya...
Okay, so sila na po sunod. So, music
DJ Barcelona Catering and Services. Once again, on behalf of the Kamuyan Battle. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our next band is Music Culture Band of Nabuac Camarines Sur. Gentlemen, for their contest piece, Music Culture of Nabuac Camarines Sur.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Little high, little low, and then when the wind blows, does it really matter to me? To me?
Cocho of Nabal Camarines Sur. Let's proceed now with the next.
Guys, so tapos na po sila.
Bakit na tayo pauwi?
Kasi masakit na rin yung lalamunan ko. Nakasama sila. So wait na lang po natin ang result mamaya. So see you later guys. Hi guys, update po. So 10 na po, ay 11 na po yan. Last 2 bands na lang po. Matatapos. Anong oras na? 12:42 na po ng madaling araw.
Ito yung gusto mo sponsor for sa Tinato.
Madami pa naman pong tao. So ayan po, nung time na po yan is nag-a-announce na po ng mga nanalo and out of 13 bands po yung mga nag-compete kaya sobrang kinakabahan po ako kasi hindi lang naman po sila yung magagaling, madami po talaga. And mas kinakabahan ako sa mga nag-compete. Natatawa talaga ako dyan kasi wala talaga silang reaction, hindi sila nag-e-expect. Ako naman yung sobrang kinakabahan para sa kanila. So wait nyo na lang po yung mga reaction nila dyan.
For the trophy and also cash.
Ayan na, si OA na naman ako dyan kasi top 3 na lang po at di pa sila natatawag dyan. Kaya sobrang ina-excite ako at kinakabahan para sa kanila kahit man lang mag-top 2 sila kasi talaga yun.
Winner. Garnering the scores. To receive a 5,000 pesos in cash together with a trophy. Congratulations to our third place winner with a scores of 79.66 average score. Congratulations to Project X Band. Project X Band. Our prize is sponsored by Congressman Mings Benaparte and also the Lucky Government of Tabao. We come now to the second place winner. Second place winner, garnering the scores of 83.33% on the total judges vote. Congratulations to She Loves Event Band. And our grand winner for this year's Kawayan Festival Battle of the Bands to receive 10,000 pesos in cash. Congratulations to Music Cocho. The second place winner will be receiving 7,000 pesos in cash. Ay 8,000 pesos. Sponsored by Congressman Mix Benaparte and the local government. For the Kamuyan Festival, Music Cocho Band. Ayan, tutugtog pa ata ang Music Cocho. Michael? Congratulations. Maraming salamat on behalf of the organizers sa ating bandang nanalo, sa non-winners, to the Board of Judges, Board Tabulators, Honorables, yung mga guests po natin coming from the different barangays sa Baaw. Maraming salamat. And the Tivoli Group for staying with us.
Yan
And for the
worth it
stage
yung pagod and grabe, champion sila. Congrats ulit sa inyo guys and more battles to come. And yun, I'm always so proud of you guys and always be your number 1 fan. And sa mga nanonood po, thank you so much po sa panonood. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. God bless you all.